Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HardTravel.com, your Norwegian cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Sun. Now this particular category is a family ocean view. I'm going to take you through it in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you do it right on HardTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now let's tour the room. Now when you walk in the door, you're going to have your light control to one side, and then you're going to have your primary storage over here on the side. Now you've got quite a bit of hanging storage all the way across. These will pull down for more hanging storage. You've got these great baskets here, and then shelves all the way up and down. There's a mirror here that you can utilize to get ready. You have a few more drawers right down below, a nook for more storage, and then in here, you're gonna find your safe, perfect size for a passport or a wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop, and then you have storage up and down and all the way across. Now directly across, you're gonna find the bathroom. As I step in, you can see that it's not a huge bathroom, but it works just fine. You're gonna have room for storage on the vanity here, storage up and down here with the shelves, toilet tucked just behind. You've got a plug for a razor, your hair dryer, and then the shower just behind. Now I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually can fit in here. You've got an adjustable shower wand, you've got the clothesline here that'll pull across, and then there is a shower curtain. I really wish it was a shower door, but it works. Now as we head into the bedroom, you can see the beds together in a large bed configuration right now. It can also be separated into two twins if that's your preference. In that case, the nightstand would move to the middle. I love that the reading lamps have built-in USB chargers, so you can utilize that to charge your device. And then underneath, you've got a ton of storage to tuck your bags away completely. Now this is a family ocean view. They actually have the couch set up for us as a double bed here, so you can see what that looks like, or you can fold it up into the couch. They're gonna do that for you each and every single day when they do their make up the room service. They'll also do turn down service in the evening. Directly across, you're gonna find your vanity that doubles as a writing desk. You've got a US plug and a European plug. Now I always bring those extra European adapters and converters to take advantage of all the plugs in the room. You're gonna have a nice large mirror to get ready, and here you'll find your television. Now it can angle at the couch or it can angle at the main bed depending on what you're looking for. Either way, it's fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. You're gonna have your mini fridge underneath here, more drawers for storage, several drawers for storage up above, and then one more cupboard. Now this is an ocean view stateroom, so you've got a nice large picture window to look out. Now keep in mind, if you want that fresh air, you can check out our balconies, club balcony suites, and the suites here on board. There's some pretty amazing upgrade options for you. Now when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you do it right on HardTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way.